Okay, guys, welcome. One more day of streaming, live streaming my Hedge Ninja FTMO account. I will use, this is the Hedge Ninja that I use normally, but today I will use my Trade Spider instead. Just to test it out. I'm up 1.6% on this new challenge. And in 1.5 minutes, I will pull the trigger to start this trade. So the strategy here is that we do a hedge. Normally, we start with a buy. Now it starts to move already. It's 1 minute left until I will open my trade. But we start with a buy. And if we come up to this target here, we will do 1%. More or less. $1,049. If we come down here, we will also do the same. If we reach this target, the stop loss, we will change direction, or the Trade Spider does it automatically for me. So this is what I'm gonna do. So we are 4 seconds until the pull the trigger. Okay, we do now. There we go. Now we're in the trade. Fantastico. This is not the strategy that I teach in FTMO Academy, but the Trade Spider can be used in the same way as Hedge Ninja. Now, okay, we lost the first position, so we are now in a sell. And we'll see if it moves up here to the... Yeah, now we change direction again and we're in a buy. We lost 2 positions now, pretty fast, within the first minute. Enjoy life. I'm enjoying some coffee. Yesterday I closed 1% on this account, and my verification account, I was trying to capitalize more on the move, see if I can get a bigger gain than 1%, but I'm still in the trade on that account. It didn't move more, so I closed it really nice yesterday. I'll show you here. Here, I closed it yesterday here. That was pretty nice close, because after that it just went up again. Come on, move. Let's move. We talked about this so many times. And as you can see here, I can have 13 positions. With this, I risk 4,357, which is almost the full daily drawdown on FTMO. But I'm okay with that. It's just a different way of trading. By doing this, I commit to this trade, and actually I win almost every day. So win rate and risk to reward goes hand in hand. Here I risk 4.3% to gain 1%, which is a terrible risk to reward, at least if you think about it mathematically and how everyone teaches you to do. You always want to do 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, but here's the other way around. But as I said, it's connected to win rate. So by doing this, I get a higher win rate instead. But every loss is obviously hurting you a lot more. But instead of having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses in a row where you risk 1% each, you win, and then lose, and then win, and then lose. The only problem is if you lose 2 times, 2 times in a row. Are we moving or are we not moving? That is the question. If you use, hi Ollie, welcome. If you use 1 to 2 risk reward and win 70%, I don't believe you. Maybe 1 week or 2 weeks or a month, but if you do it for 6 months, you're a billionaire. Trust me. So I don't believe you. Show me some proof. I'm so fucking tired of people talking like this, and you see it on Facebook. You see, yeah, I have a 90% win rate and I risk 1 to 1, or I have a 1 to 2 risk reward, as Ali here just wrote in the chat, and win 70% of the time. If you can do that consistently, I mean, you can pay for your whole city. I'm exaggerating a bit, but yeah. Yeah, but show me some proof. Because I've been trading so long, and I've been doing so many back tests and so many trades, like 100,000s of trades, which is probably a lot more than you have done. But I have done that using backtesting because I can code my own robots. I've tested and tested and tested all instruments, time frames, you name it. And in a certain time period, absolutely, you can have that win rate. You can have 70% win rate and a 1 to 2 risk reward. But then after a few weeks, it just have a year of losses where you have 20% win rate instead. That's why I say I don't believe you. I challenge you a bit, but show me some proof. More than 1 or 2 weeks. It would be really fun. Because this is the biggest problem in Forex or in trading in general. People like to say these things just to present themselves like so successful. And that's more important than actually being successful. This is why people never get successful. They like to talk about it more than actually rolling up the sleeves and go do the work. Yeah, so this guy, he couldn't walk the talk. Love it, Ali. Please show me some proof. I will eat my own underwear. No, please don't show me some proof. I don't want to eat my own underwear. I had an idea when I started my YouTube channel. I wanted to make a channel about where talking about the truth about trading, how hard it is, and how you do not do these 100% gains in a month, or if you do 5%, no one is interested in what you do. I do around 5%, and that is except for my Dollar Ninja robot. It has made 200% in 1 year, but it also risks 30% of the account. But yeah, I wanted to just, it's so easy to just talk about your gains, and you show verification on FTMO forum and show, yeah, look, I passed my verification or my trial even, which is even worse. And then you have like 15 trials that you failed. But you don't show that. You show one trial. Yay, look at me, how good I am. And that's more important than to actually being good, which is so fucking stupid. So this is one of my initial thoughts about my YouTube channel. I wanted to go around to all these trading gurus who talk about and ask them to present some proof of their profitability. But I think I'm gonna need to end up going around with a baseball bat to do that, because no one is gonna show it. Yeah, but there is successful traders. It is one guy I talked about yesterday. He's Trader Tom. The guy seems, he really posts his trades and he's honest about every loss, and in his Telegram channel it's really enlightening to see him work, and he make it so simple, the trading. It's basically yeah, like support and resistance, and a little more to that, obviously, that he see that he don't mention, but it's really nice to see him trade, because it's not only bullshit, it's real results. Okay, this is slow today, up and down, up and down. We want to see some movement. We are 11 minutes into the trade and still not a lot of movement. Okay, bigger candles than the ones before, but still not a lot. But we just need to go up here or down here to have a profit. Ali, so are you yeah, you see, you tested it 1 week, and this is what you say. You shouldn't go around and talk like this, because, and that's, if you win 5 or 6, it's 50 or 60%, which is a lot different than 70%. I don't my intention is not to be mean to you, but to wake up. Don't give yourself hopes about something that you have tested 1 week and then you spend all your savings on that strategy, and you're gonna wake up and realize that, fuck, I should have tested this more. Okay, some movement at least. We are moving down now. We have closed 0.5% in losses. This trade spider doesn't work as good. I see it. It doesn't work as good as my Hedge Ninja, who manually does the work. Here, it waits for the stop loss to be hit, and when the stop loss is hit, it then opens another trade in the opposite direction. But you see the red arrows here. It moves down. So now the entry was here. It should be up here or around this area. So we got some slippage here, which is not good. We want to stay around the same area, and so when we move away from the hedge area. So this is why I wanted to test the trade spider to do the same thing as the Hedge Ninja. Now I know it's better to do that the robot does it manually than to wait for the stop loss to be hit, and then on trade transaction, which is coding language now, it does the other trade, but obviously there's some time in between, so there can occur some slippage. Ali, it depends. This strategy, I do 1 to 7.5 risk to reward per position. But as you see, it changes direction. So one trade here, or one trade cycle as I call it, can be... now we are in position 4 and looks like we're going to move into position 5 now. So we have the total risk. Yes, I risk 4% to gain 1%, which is totally stupid according to most traders. But I'm trying this out and it works pretty good. I don't want to do as everyone else, trade support and resistance or trade trend lines, that I've tried that, and it just doesn't work. You get some winners here and there, but it's about being profitable, not being strictly using one strategy. Okay, now we changed again, so now we are position 5, as you see here, 5 out of 13. This is the only downside with this strategy. If we consolidate in the same area, it opens and closes new positions all the time, then we end up in more and more drawdown. Now we are at 0.7% drawdown in total, this trade cycle. And we have 4.3% drawdown available. So... but trading US 100, now it hasn't moved as it usually do. So I think it's because it's Christmas time, and between Christmas and New Year's Eve. It usually moves like 27,000 points per day on average. We see it here. Now it has gone lower to 26,800, which means that it moves less now because the number has gone down every day now. So I think it's Christmas. I have tried this on a demo account for a pretty long time, and it has been working very good. I had some losses, obviously, but no, I haven't. Didn't have any loss on the demo account. My first loss was last week, I think. But Ali, this is the strategy here is that, I don't know if you saw me talking about it, but we open a buy position here, and if it goes up here, it wins 1%. If it goes down here, we change direction and go for a sell, because we let the market show us direction, and the direction the market moves, we follow. So this is the strategy. It's like a hedging strategy, but not hedging at all. Same time, it changes direction and it opens slightly bigger lot. As we see here, the former position was 1.27 lots. Now we are 1.44. This is to cover up for the losses. So we gain 1%. We gain this $1,049 US, no matter how many positions we use when the price moves either there or there. Oh, come on, let's move, damn it. I want to see how US 30 moves. Yeah, it moves a lot. Maybe this would have been better to trade. I guess so we need to go lower today. It feels like it want to go up, but it can't, so it's struggling down. Okay, let's move. Moving. Like yesterday, we had nothing before. I have a worried soul here in my messenger. He also runs my robot. He's a bit worried. I've been trading like 4 years. And you? Okay, let's move. Okay, we have 8 minutes to a new 1 hour candle. 7.5, 720 beep. And we hopefully we see some movement. It was the same yesterday. It was really slow, up and down before it went after 4 o'clock, and then it started to move slightly. Yeah, here we were yesterday. I closed it pretty nice manually. It would have taken the full profit. I was 0.97 and it was looking at 1.05 profit or something like that. I can see some movement. Yeah, and it started moving. Let's see here. What was the time? Yeah. Oh, it was even later. Yeah, it was. Okay, around here after 4 o'clock. Yeah. You see the time in the bottom. It says 17:15, but it's 1 hour difference. So we'll see now if it starts moving. We see. But I made a mistake using FTMO Academy as Trade Spider on this. It's not meant to be used like this. Hedge Ninja does a better job at changing direction. As you see here, we have some slippage. It should be a straight line with the blue arrows. It should be open at pretty much the same position, and same with the cells. And here is all over the place. So now, what Ali, it took me almost 3 years. No, it took me a little bit more than 2 years to become a break-even trader. I might be slow. I hear people getting profitable in 6 months, but I started to doubt them because I put so much effort into this. I own a company that gives me money every month, so I don't have to work. So I have put my full attention to trading for 4 years, and it took me 2 years or 2.5 years, something like that, I can't exactly remember, to become a break-even trader. And it was freaking frustrating because especially when you see everything on YouTube, people are so successful, and people like you, Ali, they write that they have a 1-2 risk to reward and win 70% of the time, and they don't. But I listened to all this nonsense in the beginning, and I started feeling bad about my own progress. I usually don't listen to other people, but when you look into learning something new, you need to start consuming media and see what's how you can do it, and you're bombarded with all these messages. But 2.5 years to become break even, and then at around 3 years, I think I started to earn some money. But still, I mean, the thing I hoped for in the beginning, which was to make like 20-30% per month, it's I'm guessing it's not gonna happen if I wanna. I can do it if I do smaller accounts, because then I don't care about them. If I do a 1K or 5K account, it's pretty small, so I can risk more. But if I want to do a 100K account or a 500K account, I do not want to risk that much. I do not want to risk 30%. That's my Dollar Ninja. It has made 200% in 1 year. Amazing results, but it risks 30%. And now it has working awesome. So I more than doubled the money on the account. So now it's risk-free. But imagine setting up a 500K account and you have 2 losses in a row. 30%, 30%, boom. You're going to be pretty sad. So you're not going to use that kind of strategy. And again, risk to reward goes hand in hand with win rate. And also your risk goes hand in hand with your profits. You will not risk $100 and gain 10,000. You can do maybe one trade if you swing trade it and wait for 2 months. But if you do that, you're gonna have so low win rate, so it eats up all the profits. So what I realized is that if I can do 5-10% per month, I need to be super happy, and I need to have enough capital to feel that I'm super happy. I did, I'm gonna show you here. I'll show you here on one of my web pages. Like this. No, sorry. Here it is. Trading. This is one of the strategies I did on a demo account. I had a 1 million account, $1 million account. And as you see, there is only winners except 2 losses. And what I did was that I did buy alone on US. Look here. Look here. No, DAX 30, sorry. You're myself. Yeah, what I did was I did buys alone on this one. And yeah, you see it's going in one direction. If you do buys, you're gonna have an edge in the market just by doing that. Except here we had Corona. We had the biggest drop ever. But I did buys alone, and I did it from around here something. No, it was 21. Yeah. No, yeah, here I started here, and look how the market went. I did it in this area, and I did buys alone, and a loss is a loss first when you close the trade. And I did I did double this account in 6 months, but that I would never trade that with 1 million real money, because at one point I had like 50% drawdown. And imagine if another Corona comes, then you're pretty fucked. But you see here, there's one loss, but it was so small loss, and I did a hedge. I tried a hedge there when I tried to earn money on both directions. So I open a buy and half lot size and sell. So if it moves up, I'm still winning. But if it moves down, I can close that and open another buy. So, but I didn't do. I opened it and it was like, no, stupid. I shouldn't do this. So I closed it with a loss. But other than that, it's only winners. So if you have an account where you can, let's say you have a job, you put $200 in the account, and every month you're able to put $200 more dollars, or 500, whatever, or 100 or 50. You can just do buys alone on these stock indices, but I would suggest you do it on US 100. I like this, because this is US 100. I mean, look at this. Why make it harder than it is? Do buys alone. Buy and hold. And when you're here, if you open positions that you know that, okay, I'm gonna risk $200 on this. Yeah, you're not gonna earn much, but you are gonna earn money. Over 1 year, here is another 200, same size as this. But along this way, you maybe here a month after, you put another 200 in, and you do the same, but this size. So when you're up here, you had made 400 at, so that you have made 600. So you have took 400 and made 600 in this time frame. And if you just keep it, it would have been like a lot more. And every month you put in more and more and more and more. I mean, it's a solid strategy, but it's boring, and you do not conquer the market like you want to do. Because you want to sit every day and you want to scalp. 1 minute time frame, because then you're gonna earn a lot of money. Kimbo, I know that it's my wife's last name. I took it because my name was Larsson, but Larsson is a really common name in Sweden. It's freaking boring, so I didn't want to use it. So I changed to her name actually. But I know we usually talk about that. I can't use my name in international business because it's gonna sound like I'm gonna build them. But yeah, everyone, don't listen to guys like Ali. I love you, Ali. Sorry, but I need to use you as an example. Don't listen to people that say they have a 70% winning strategy and 1 to 2 risk to reward, or they trade in smart money concepts and they trade in like 1 to 50 and they win 50% of the time. I mean, it's gonna be billionaires in 5 minutes. Trading is so hard as everything else in life. If you want to be successful in business, it's the same. I mean, I have one really successful business, a company that I own now, but before that I have like 3 or 4 failed businesses, and I'm one of the lucky ones that have a successful business, especially one that survives. I've had it for 17 years. So I've had the financial crisis 2008. We survived it, no problem. We even thrived. And during Corona, it was the same. We were so afraid we were gonna need to shut down, but no, we had even more customers. Ah, great, Ali. You're trying to prove a point here. Let me know how it goes. I guess you're gonna say nothing if you lose, and you're gonna say if you win. Is it a buy, Ali? Ali, where did you have your stop loss and the entry? Write it in, and the target. Where's the target? Ali, can you write your target and stop loss again? And your entry. You lost. No. Yeah, I guess that's... well, you have a 30% losses, so I think you're good. Yeah, but it's funny because... Yeah, this is US 30. I guess you opened up here somewhere, right? This is lovely. It's just chilling. What the hell? You see, I don't even use my... I don't draw any... I use naked charts. Completely naked charts. Here I have smart money, blah, blah, blah. Let's see even worse colors. Do I have some? Okay. Ah, okay, you didn't. Okay, what was your stop loss? I want to see your trade, and where did you enter? Okay, how it's going for my trade? Yeah, I'm soon. See here, I have 731 US dollars in closed losses. We can see that here. I'm gonna show history. Let's do today. Yeah, 730. So we have 4 losses, and now we're in total profit. So this trade is more in profit. So What's your account? Is it real money account or? Where is your stop loss, Ali? But this is what this strategy does. It just waits for price to decide direction, and then it goes in that favor. So now we see price obviously choose the long up until now, and we're in a buy position, which is long. So now we're 0.16% profit, and up here will be 1% profit. You see it's 1,728 profit, and that together with the losses here is 1%. My wife wanna come here. Come. It's my son again. He was with us yesterday as well. Prata. That's yeah, papa. Who's the king? Who's the king? Who's the king? Mama. Who is the king? Huh? Papa. Who's the king? I'm not forcing him at all. Who's the king? Mama. Mama. No! Fuck! So you're a king. Fuck, I lost that one. He's running around. He looks like a she because we have this thing on his head, because I don't know the name of it in English, but it's because he has so long hair. We want to save it. We don't want to cut his hair. Okay, you can breathe some now, and then you're gonna shoot up. 3652. Okay. You mean 36520? No. But you still. Are you Plasmagic? Are you talking about the Hedge Ninja or the strategy I do here, or are you interested in Ali's win rate? He has 70. He says, but he only did backtesting for 1 week, so don't. It's not a lot of data. Okay, Ali. So this is your trade. Yes. I don't know where your target is, but yeah, I know exactly where your target is. It's 158 because you have 1 to 2. You are screwed. You are screwed. Okay. I want to show this as well. I need to show it. Ali the King. Here it is. Yeah, here Ali, here you are. You're now in the stream. This is your trade. So far, my trade is winning. Really? No, you can't. I see the price. You can't be in profit. You told me your entry. You're in loss. Liar. I'm in profit. Look, 0.3% profit. When I move up here, I'm in 1% profit. Then I go on with my day, and I traded like 1-2 hours. It's perfect. Actually, I did 1% on FTMO Academy strategy in this morning on GBP USD. It was like 1 hour and 15 minutes. I posted it live in our Telegram channel. But I trade that in the morning most of the time, and in the afternoon I trade this one. And in between I'm freaking bored. I'm one of the guys, I want to trade all the time, but I'm really trying to put a leash on myself, because I noticed that the more I trade, the more I lose. The less I trade. Ah, wow. A fucking meeting. Forgot about it. Yeah, so the less I trade, the more profits I make. Really? Wow, no, I missed the... here it is. But how can you be in profit? I mean, you have your entry here, right? 36599. Didn't you say that? I should... It would be freaking fun to have some viewers, like a competition where we do some Zoom call, and then we do 1 hour trading, and we see who the winner is. Now you're in profit, my friend. Nice. This guy here, is it gonna move all the way, you think? Because we haven't seen a single pullback here. After Sunday's rain. Or something like that. Short candle, short candle. Big, we got some momentum. We slow down. We got some momentum and we slow down. And now we're gonna retest this area here. Oh, we did it already, so you can move up. Please, please move. Move up. No. Oh, fuck. We bought like an air hockey for one of the sons in Christmas present, and the engine wasn't working, so we're about to return it today. And I packed everything down in the box, but I obviously forgot this, so I got a mission here. Candy time. Move. I don't need. Oh, your lovely strategy is in profit. I know, it's nice. 36550. And no, you can't be entered at that price. You're changing things up, Ali. No, 36550. That's what you said before. Then you should be closing profit. Oh, I don't understand. Yeah, leave it for now. Trust you. I hope you win. Is it real money, Ali? But you guys want to have a competition? Maybe we should have it. Ali, there's a big dough candle in this one. Let's hope it goes up. When did it stop moving yesterday? What's the time? 17:15. Wow, that's about now. Then it turned around. I'm actually gonna close this today. No, I don't. I shouldn't close it. I never always close too early. I close my profits. I'm not gonna close it. Or should I? Should I close it? Guys, should I close? Nice, Ollie. Yeah, good. But actually, you should just run it. If it's real money, let it run. I don't know. There must come some pullback after this. Maybe not now, maybe not tomorrow. But we have had at use 30, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days in a row up. Yeah. I'm gonna close now. I'm looking to close. Yeah, I'm closing. Yeah. Okay, so we did 0.345. It's okay. It's okay. Please don't continue move up. I always close too early. Always. I'm the master of closing too early. But I also close my losses too early. So I think it's... I did a lot of journaling before. And in my journaling, I noticed that I actually won more by closing early targets and closing losses early. So I just keep on doing what I'm doing as long as I move up in equity. Now it's almost 2% up in can't remember, is it 3 days? Yeah, 3 days. 28, 29, 30. First day I had a target of 0.5. I did half the lot size. Yeah, we're continuing up. Damn it. This is where I would have... This is how the trade looked like. Yeah. Well, it moves up. Fuck. No, I don't want to have 1% profit. I'm happy with 0.35. Yeah. So stupid. But okay, we were up 2% in 3 days. It's okay. The target is 0.6% per day. Then we will manage to pass the challenge doing that. So yeah. Yeah, but the goal is here is 1% per day, so it should be done in 10 days without losses. But I have only done 2% now in 3 days because I risked half, and obviously had a half target first day. I like to do that just to make sure I'm above initial balance, and if I'm below, it's, you know, your head is starting to work against you. Yeah, Ali, but just make a few trial accounts, and the funny thing with the FTMO is that you have half the time and half the profit. It's like, but you still have the same drawdown, so you should have the same. I don't know why they don't have the same criteria as on the real account. Why don't 10% target? But okay, guys, thanks for watching today, and I will not see you tomorrow. Tomorrow it's New Year's Eve, and there will be no trading. I don't even know if it's open tomorrow. But we see you after in the next year. I'm gonna do